and to my colleagues, a pleasant morning.
Morning.
For this 2024 Division Inset, we are like bottles, right? Bottles with different amount of liquid inside. Some bottles are filled with some, and some are almost full. However, despite the differences, we all know we have one common goal, and that is to learn. For almost 4 days here at Basud Elementary School, empowering leadership insights are unfolded, seamlessly aligning with the matatag agenda of the Department of Education. The training not only hold leadership skills, but also lead them to the agenda's pillars. Furthermore, the atmosphere in the classroom was not only serious and focused, but also infused with a delightful touch. Allow me to mention our facilitators in Class 1 Palaban, Ma'am Rosana, Ma'am Daisy. Your sweet and calm voices made us focus and love every topic that you intellectually delivered. Thank you, Ma'am. And of course, to our lead facilitator, Sir Nonoy Guardian. If Ginlaon Elementary School is the sleeping gem of the district, you are the diamond of the division office. There was no down moments, and every session were full of fun and meaningful experiences. Of course, to our experienced class manager, my former teacher, Ma'am Arnie, it made our day-to-day classes with 100% attendance because of your presence. To all of you, it was truly smart fun. As skilled mentors, amusingly resourceful, and masters of knowledge, A, approachable and witty, R, reliable guides, T, teachers with humor that make all the sessions fun-filled learning. Moving on, the venue is also great. The essential needs were provided. The teachers of Basud Elementary School accommodated us genuinely, headed by their dynamic principal, Sir Rowan. Special mention to Ma'am Addison, that almost time to time, tatanungin ka kung gusto mo ng kape. Kaya, mapapakape ka talaga dahil always ready at the back ang coffee. Thank you, Ma'am. Lastly, to the division office headed by SDS Doncilio and his team, allow us to mention this. We will be the present and future proof that our students are in good hands. Thank you for this opportunity to be part of this training. With all of this, on behalf of Class 1 Palaban, rest assured na itutuloy namin ang laban sa aming mga paaralan. Once again, good morning.
Very good.